So welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl GH. Okay, I'm so excited. So on this video I'm going to be braiding my hair, well basically twisting my hair with twist up from Expression. So it's going to be my first time using this hair. You know, I love Expression, you know, hair, but it's gonna be my first time using twist up. So I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and I really did enjoy them, and I said to, you know, just try it. I like the hairstyle. So I went to the beauty supply store today to purchase hair. So I actually got 4 packs. So from the beauty supply store I went to, each pack was $8.99. It's a very nice hairstyle. Also, I'm not going to put anything in water or anything, because I noticed when you start twisting the hair, it gets tangled. It gets tangled up, so there is no point putting this hair in hot water. If you want, you can, but I know it's not going to unravel. Like, there is no way this is going to unravel. And like I said, the one I use is 16 inches, and this is how long the 16 inches is. Okay, I'm short, but anyways, this is how long this 16 inches is. So I use exactly 2 packs, and the other 2 packs, I think next time I'm going to cut them into 2 and then use it to twist my hair in like a very small sections when the weather gets really good. Overall, I like the hair, but like I said, it doesn't tangle up. The hair is very nice. So initially I was thinking about using this to do just, you know, crochet hair and just leave some of my natural hair out, and I don't think that will work, because the hair, once it gets in contact with each other, it does tangle up. But with the twisting, it looks nice, because this kind of twist is not a twist that's supposed to look smooth or anything. It's supposed to look rough. So yeah, the hair is actually pretty light. It's just that it's a lot. It's just like, I think of this hair like natural hair. Natural hair is puffy, big, but it's pretty light, you know. So yeah, overall I do like it. Yeah, it took me 2 hours and 10 minutes. Like I said, I'm going to leave this in for exactly a month, and yeah, after a month, you know, I will come back and, you know, let you guys know like every other thing that happened with the hair. Okay, but so far it's good. And exactly, this is 2 packs. Yeah, I'm so surprised, because the YouTuber that I watched, she used 4 packs. I don't know how she used 4 packs, and our hair looks basically the same. Okay, the thickness, the fullness, everything looks the same. But anyways, I used 2 packs, and you guys saw, you know, each pack of hair comes in 3 little bundles, and each bundle have like 9 strands. Okay, so I use like a strand for each section. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have used the Expression twisted up, let me know how many packs you use. Let me know what color you use. I believe I use color 2. It matches perfectly with my natural hair, so I just wanted to go for that. So yeah, this is it. So honestly, I'm not really going to be styling this hair in any way, shape, or form, because, sorry guys, because I'm just I don't have time. The weather is getting cold all the time. But you know, if I do decide to style it up, I will create a whole video on how I style it. But for now, I'm just gonna do an updo and just leave it there for most of the time. I'm not trying to manipulate my hair. And one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that when I was braiding the hair, before I actually started parting sections, you know, what I did is that I took all my baby hair to the front. So what I did is I pushed my hair back and I used my hand to like you just go like this and just bring all my baby hair to the front. I did it for my entire head of hair in the front section, so that way I don't braid all the little pieces of hair. I don't braid it. Even on this side I have some strands that were, you know, you see a bit longer. I didn't braid it. Okay, this is like a way to help maintain your edges. Okay, because if you don't, this is something that can braid. You see, it's something that can obviously braid, you know, but since I did it, it's just gonna be there, and if you want you can just gel it up, but me, I'm just gonna let it stay there and do this own thing. It's not gonna bother me. So yeah, I think this is it for this video. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and yeah, I'll be looking up for more videos like this. So yeah, I love you guys, and as always, like I say, God loves you more, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. And if you have any question pertaining to this style, pertaining to the hair and whatnot, just leave your comments, okay, in the comment section below. I will gladly go through it and answer all your questions. So then, see you guys. Bye. And also, if you did your hair with this extension, how many packs did you use? Because I just used 2 packs. I can't believe I used 2 packs. I just used